For your members, me actually parliament. I be law my check. You won the thing I'm a tama numero bed ki wang matulo mada. You wang be jero camera ma ina ki jammi. Wang be jero camera ma ina ki jammi. Kedum tiki won loyo, tiki wi loyo. Luot mi riako don peron luot ne. Cingi na ngene gang do to. Ka kama wan share yeni. Kwaro lo be dana ma dit ba pa gao you pe kwanya tete pa dana non. Apora moti me ke kal kwara choli kitima kaka. Kitimu wek achuli machalo kaka urwen geni kum lutela mete kwaro. Anma kitimu ni angema be ni dana ma pol giti eki ngeng do ameta wachu ket manni kelu apora ke kal kwara chulni po a ke bollo rock eno a ke bollo tira chuli magi dombe magi tigamente pekiti jo wo guti mo pengo ne gimiano ni kagaru ngene kom ke kal kwaro and factionary o make creating gene weng pego ngi miri pa jonne eni pego ngi gen la no gen ne me ni wa me America be position e o me o do me kwa but they were not looking at the long term goal pa jomol kila pora eni a lot of money exchange and to cause this confusion ke kal parachuli now madong confusion though chake faction was created, a new force emerged up. Seeing dong go waje ni mono kongda chuli miro gore kilonyi ngwani mono gore mi Pongdwongo mi loko ni mi rocho paju peyo timimi nono oti makaka gine ni kitimu bwani kimiano ni achulu ni di jomone manyan magaron berki care miti akoperogi. That was the logic behind all this creating of division in kekal kwa achuli. Lamato machiru logata mapenyang pinge ron berki tani. But the day you're going to discover the truth, even you're going to hate yourself. Why dama miaro tela? Dama miaro kero? These people want power. Because without power, you are going to lose relevance. Inhibit the power, but your relevance to society is not there. So these guys are fighting that. We are retired. What do we have? Who will listen to us when we are not there in any position in society? So Gure Pongdwongo was planned after creating faction. Me actually kekal Kwaro. They don't even mind about this roadie. They wish actually well they should fast and foremost start by reconciling the faction. The mere fact that la Ditma Mego Major Chief Justice, my what Nero Dama Mirno Betela we were failed to come openly to say that Wunba Timuni Wikaka. It is a clear indication that he was either indirectly interested in something. When one word in an end work no Robuga Chohogan, but Po Chohogan. In fact, he came with another thing. So ye won't look at any mistake with him. Down okay, we cannot fight the Kwaro. They will not succeed. Without them, we are not going to succeed. So you can be with your opinion, Nico, or you can have your opinion, but that is the bottom truth.